So now I have woven all the way to the top of the loom, and I have a little bit of string left from my weft. So I'm going to put it on my needle, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to weave it down through itself. So I'm weaving the weft all down through one of the channels that the warp is laying on. So I'm just kind of tucking it over and under, going down as far as I can, having the needle lead my way through, just like you see. And then I'm pulling that weft in and just pulling it down a little bit, giving it a tug and trimming it off. And that is how you end your weft. So here I go again, showing you how to do this. You can see now I haven't gone all the way to the top, but doggone it, I'm tired and I've had enough. And so I'm pushing it down through the weft and all right, for the third time, I am pushing that weft down through itself, just going straight down, pulling it, and trimming off my end. And that is how you finish off your weft. So now I'm going to begin taking my warp cords off the top. So you can do this a couple different ways. You can just tear the little tabs off, or you can just pull them over the weft. I mean, you can pull the warp just like you see here. Then once you have your warp cords off of the loom, you're going to roll it. You're going to roll that cardboard inside of your pouch, and that kind of helps you to get it out of the pouch. And if you went all the way to the top, yes, definitely pull your cardboard out now. If you didn't go all the way to the top, you're going to want to keep your cardboard in there because that's going to help you to tie off your ends. Now, this person went all the way to the top, so they don't need to tie off their ends. Now, this person didn't go all the way to the top, which is fine. And so what they're going to do is they're going to take their warp cords. They're going to take two cords laying side by side, which are actually double cords. And they're just going to put them together and tie them once, tie them twice. And they're just going to go 2 by 2, tie them together, trim them off, go to the next 2, tie them together. And this is why I said sometimes if you leave the board in, this is a little bit easier to do. But if you don't leave the board in, that's all right too. You can still figure it out. Okay, so I tied them once, tied them twice, trim it, get the next 2, and it's okay if your weft is kind of going all over the place. It's all right. It'll settle down once you tie the warp down to shorten them. So tie it once, tie it twice, and trim, and there you go. Just keep going all the way around. Now at the end you'll probably have 3 cords, so you just tie 2 cords to 1 cord, and there you go.